You have an idea for a business or a venture or some project that you want to get started. But how do you know that the choices that you're going to make are the right choices for the business, venture, or your creative idea? We're going to talk a little bit about that today and how you can make those choices that are going to be the right choices and that are always going to get you results. My name is Jawad and welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
Okay, there's three types of people. The experienced person, somebody who's got a ton of experience, a ton of knowledge, and has been in a particular business. And right now, there's a lot of people like those that are out of jobs. Then there's people who are just coming out of high school, coming out of college, little to no experience. They're the in-betweeners. Some who are with jobs, some who don't have jobs. But they have knowledge too. Everybody's got knowledge. How do you know that the best knowledge for your business or for your venture, for your idea? And how do you know that the ideas and ventures and the things that you want to do that you can just go implement instantly? But what if you had help? So there's the people that have the experience, that have the knowledge, that have gone through so much more, that have worked on a lot of older systems, but they know what they're talking about. They can help a lot. Then there's the people who are fresh, new, and they're like sponges. They pick up, they read, some read, some don't. Some just want to get through and finish the thing that they're supposed to do. There's such a variety of people right now in the world that are available. And then there's me. I'm the one that has in-between experience. I have the knowledge, I have the experience. I've ran my own business. I've started this YouTube business. I've gone from being successful to failing to being in debt and working hard to get myself out of that debt. I've done all of that. With this is what's helping me to pass my knowledge on to others. What I've learned is to be able to make the best decisions, whether it's for me personally or whether it's for the business, personal life, and family life. Trying to get that perfect balance and do the project that you want to do. First way I utilized right off the bat was people with a ton of experience. These people are the best assets. Granted, you can't hire all of them, but if you can find a way to negotiate with them, that's going to be your best asset right there. You can also negotiate and talk to people with no experience, 0 to little experience. They're a great asset too. They're going to help you come up with ideas at adding something to your project or concept that you wouldn't have thought of. You have little to no resources, but you can have your time. Your time is the best valuable asset that you can give that will be a tremendous help for you. Realize each layer of individual. And that's what I do. That's where I've learned, okay, somebody with experience, they're telling me this needs to be done. Okay. Somebody in this field, in this level of experience, 0 to the beginning, is telling me, oh, if we do this a little bit, guess what? We'll have it even easier. Then there's me. I have to look at both sides of it and then my own concept. I want to get it done faster. I want to get it done cheaper. I want to still be able to pay the people that matter to me the value that they're worth. In order for me to be able to utilize all three, I started thinking on that route. What I started doing is, okay, here's what I want to do. Now I want to be able to do better. I want to be able to design more. I want to be able to market. I want to be able to sell products. I want to be able to do create products. I want to do all of that. But then I need somebody who I can trust in the front end. I need somebody to be able to do some of the labor work that I can't do because there's such a huge list of things to accomplish. So you have your family members too. You can have your parents. They have more experience, more knowledge, more whatever. You can utilize their knowledge, experience, and taking care of the things that you don't want to take care of. Meaning, you need to go buy some stuff, have them buy it. You need them to take care of the small errands, take care of the errands. Unless they have more experience in the particular project that you're working on. Say you're trying to build a quantum computer and your dad has been in quantum computing for 20, 30 years, even 10 years. Utilize his knowledge, sit with him, learn from him, build from that. Then you have your younger sister, brother, or if family member or friend. They want to make money, they want to learn, pay them a little bit or incentivize them to be able to help you out. Say, hey, you want to learn more about quantum computing? My dad can help. He's teaching me a little bit more of the stuff that I want to learn. Would you like to work with me? You guys have so many different resources. There's so many people online right now that are just taking pictures. There's people who want to become physicists, doctors, nurses, computer experts, farmers. Everybody wants to create something. You have such a wide variety and resource available to you. It doesn't matter whether the person's without a job, looking for a job, or retiring, or just getting into the field. Those are your best assets. I've actually posted on my LinkedIn, and I want to post it here as well on YouTube and Instagram. I'm willing to network with everybody. Whether you're young, you're old, whether you're experienced or you're not, it does not matter to me. If I can help you and you can help me. So how are you going to do that? Utilize your LinkedIn, utilize your friends, utilize any and every type of network that you can possibly think of. This is the best opportunity because of the fact that so many people are out of jobs, so many people are looking for jobs, so many people are going to bombard the universities and schools and colleges and online and everything and anything possible to learn, to get a step ahead, to be more against the next person. But guess what? How many people, millions of people, are out of jobs? This has happened before. People have been out of jobs before. But the one thing I do know, this will happen again. Instead of relying and hoping and praying and wishing that this never happens again and not being prepared, let's get prepared in a better way. You're creating something brand new that's never been created before, or you're working on starting a small business to become successful. Whether it's a business that's always been around but changed in a new fashion because of this COVID-19, this is your best opportunity. Don't waste it. Don't wait. Don't wait for others to take it from you. My name is Jawad, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified on the latest or the newest videos that are going to be out. I'm going to do more videos on how to better prepare yourself or become a successful business, regardless of what you're doing.